Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ikta Indians. Today I am going to share with you extremely famous, very delicious, yummy chicken momo recipe. In this video I show you how I have made momos without steamer. I have made these in pan in very simple and easy way. And you won't need any steamer and taste just like steam momos. So if you are looking for the easiest way to make chicken momos at home, you have to watch this video and start cooking. Here I take 3 cups of all-purpose flour into a big bowl. Now I add half teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons vegetable oil into it and mix all the things very well. Then I am adding required amount of water slowly into the bowl and knead it properly to make a soft dough. After that I grease my hand with vegetable oil and again I knead it well. Now I cover it with a clean wet piece of cotton cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now I take 500 grams minced chicken into a separate bowl. At first I take boneless chicken which I grind into my grinder to make minced chicken. Then I am adding 2 pieces big size finely chopped onions. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste into it, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Now I mix all the things very well. After mix it properly, now I am adding 1 cube cheese into it, but it is totally optional. If you don't like cheese, you can skip it. Again I give it a good mix. After that I cover it with a plate and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now I open the lid and knead the dough lightly. Now I cut small balls from the dough just like this. Now I roll out one by one from them to make the momo sheet just like small puri. Now I take one small ball and rolling out with my roller pin with flour dust just like this. Now I make all the momo sheets by using the whole dough. I make all the momo sheets just like this. After that I take a sheet and place the chicken filling in center. Now I grease all the edges with a little water with the tip of my finger. And then I start folding from one side and seal both the edges by pressing it gently and make just like this. This is the first shape of momo I made. Now I take another sheet and place the chicken filling in center and grease all the edges with a little water with the tip of my finger and Now I seal two pointy edges just like this to give this shape, and make just like this. This is the second shape of momo I made. Again I take another sheet and place the chicken filling in center. Start folding from one side and seal both the edges by pressing it gently, and seal the other side with the folds and make just like this. This is the third shape of momo I made. Again I take another sheet and place the chicken filling in center. First I seal the middle and then I seal the both pointy edges in the middle and give it a star shape, just like this, to make this kind of shape. This is my fourth shape of momo I made. Today I make 4 different shapes of momos, which I make in very simple and easy way. Now I put a pan on the gas and grease the pan with refined oil very nicely and properly. When the pan is heated sufficiently, then I put all the momos one by one into the pan very carefully. Make sure there is sufficient space between two momos, just like this. Then I cover the pan with lid and cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I open the lid and put 2 cups of water into the pan. Make sure the bottom of the momo submerged in water but does not sink completely. Now again I cover the pan with the lid and seal the whole of the lid and cook it on medium to high flame for 10 minutes. Now I open the lid. I am going to check if the momos are fully cooked or not, and all the momos are cooked well and ready to serve. Now I serve them hot. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like my today's extremely delicious, mouth-watering, juicy chicken momo recipe, which I prepare in very simple and easy way and in a very short time without momo steamer. You must try my today's recipe at your home by following the step-by-step process I have shown. I am sure you love it very much and it will be a nice treat for your family. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please send your valuable comments and suggestions for the betterment of my channel in the comment section of my video. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be happy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.